Hey guys, Ethan here, and I'm going to show you in this video everything you need to know the differences between Canva Free and Canva Pro. So you can make a good decision on if you need one or the other. We're going to talk about the differences, similarities, everything, what tools you get, what you don't get. I'm going to show you everything. I've been using Canva Pro for over 2 years now, and I'm going to talk to you even about the enterprise option of that Canva gives you for bigger companies. So if you want to know about that, definitely stay tuned for the rest of the video. I'm going to try to make it very quick so it's not over long. I'm going to go through all the details that you need to know. The best things, the things that I truly feel give Canva Pro the leg up versus Canva Free. Obviously, if you don't need those things, you don't need them. But I'm going to show you the differences and what I like and dislike throughout the video. So if you like videos like this, please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you need any sort of Canva information at all. If you want to see me do something, if you want to see some tutorials, whatnot, let me know. I'd love to do that for you. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here. And here we go. So we're in Canva. This is Canva. I have the Canva Pro. You can't really tell off the bat. The only thing that actually gives it away is this brand kit right here. Okay, that's actually part of Canva Pro. So here's some main differences, and I'm going to go over to the pricing. I know it's just kind of obvious. You go over to the pricing tools and whatnot of Canva Pro, but this page, it gives you a clear layout of what it does and what it does not offer. And I'm going to get into some of the things I do dislike and like. Basically, what I like of Canva Pro that Canva Free does not have. The main things that make things so much easier when you're editing, right? So that's the biggest thing, is simple, easy to use features that the Pro version has that the free version does not have. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, the enterprise version is basically for larger companies. The biggest thing here is they're going to give you this like big support level here, unlimited storage, and control for team members, and it protects a lot of your designs, and it's a very large, it's a larger package, obviously. So it's not going to be for everyone. It's going to be for companies. Me personally, I use the Pro method, the Pro, and I just absolutely love it. So there's some blatant, details here that you can see off the bat, which are, here's for free templates. If you're looking for templates, 8,000 on the free version, 60,000 on the Pro version. Insane. Basically, you can type into Canva, literally anything, and it's going to pull up a template. And the way you do that is literally in the home. If you click home, you click here, and you just click anything you want, and it will pull stuff up. I just put an Apple because I don't even know. And you can get an apology card. You can get an April Fool's Day card, SWOT analysis, appreciation certificate. That's what comes up when you type in Apple. Isn't that interesting? Don't even know why I typed that, but there you go. So stock images. This is another huge thing. Huge. There's so many more. Now, if we go over, let's create a design here, and let's just go into a Instagram post. That's a pretty common one there, right? Instagram post. So free. So we're talking about big things is the stock images, obviously. So you can click over here and go to photos. Obviously, you're going to have all these templates here. So many templates, Pro templates as well. But the great thing when you have Pro is if you click over in this search bar right here, you're going to be able to select if you want to see just, like, I want to see just Pro, only Pro stuff, right? All this stuff, this is Pro. Maybe there's an image on here that's a Pro image. It's a Pro template, something like that, right? Now, if we go to photos, same sort of thing, right? Type in Apple. I've been using this a lot, right? I don't know why. So you can see right here, this is a Pro. This is a Pro picture. If I click this, you know, it's obviously, it's actually a vector image. It's, you know, the background's deleted. So very, very cool image. You know, you wouldn't get that on the free version. So these are huge things that Pro offers that, that the free version does not, is the templates, the images, the image size they're the stock images, tons of stock images. We have fonts and logos, another huge thing here. So you can build, you can actually go in to your profile here. Wrong section, right here. We can go in here and we go to our account, and what we can do is, you know, this is nothing, you know, and we can actually go to design, or no, not design school, sorry, brand kit, and you're gonna be able to upload. This is so cool. The brand kit is what you get for the pro version. Brand kit is you upload your brand logos, you can upload your brand colors, and you can upload fonts. So not only does Canva Pro give you just a ton of different fonts, so many fonts here. They give you so many fonts. It's just crazy. The amount of fonts they give you is insane. You could spend all day looking up. These are fonts that I've uploaded. So as you can see here, you can literally upload your own. Huge feature here. You can also upload your logos and whatnot, but these are all, see the little crown next to it, that's a pro font, and there's just tons. It just goes on and on. You could look for fonts on here all day and not find one you like. So if you're like me, but super cool. Those few things are some of the biggest things. Now, other than that, I would say, what do we do here with our Apple? Whatever. So other than that, the resize function. Okay, so we have a resize function. You can go in here and literally resize this to anything you want. You can even type in, if you don't want an Instagram post, you can type in Facebook post or Facebook ad or whatnot. Okay, and you can click any one of these. Facebook cover, I can turn this to a Facebook cover if I wanted to, and it's going to change you to the exact size that is needed for the Facebook video or the Facebook story or the Facebook cover, whatever you need, right? So that's another huge feature that is Canva Pro only. It's amazing how much value they add just for that $10 a month. For me, it's well worth it, right? Well worth it. Some of the other things, so only a few more things here, really. The main things featuring the download. Oh, you can also, another part of this is your ability to, I think it's effects, the background remover. So you can remove backgrounds right in Canva if you need to remove a background on yourself, you know, or anything like that. Any sort of image you have, remove the background. It actually works pretty well. It actually works pretty well. I know some background removers aren't that good, but this one's pretty good. I will say it's not bad. For a quick little background remove, it's pretty good. The other biggest things are when you hit download, if you want to download the image, right? Here, let me move my face here. If you click show more here, now you can animate this. It'll create a video, okay? You can also, what am I looking for here? Download it as a transparent image. Let me see. Why is this not happening here? There we go. So these are all pro versions. You can change the size right here if you wanted to, increase the sizing here. That's a pro feature. You can make it a transparent background. So this is all, you know, all the white will be automatically deleted. It's just time savers. That saves you guys tons of time. You can compress a file if you have any file size restrictions on anything where you may be uploading something. So that's always, I mean, it's just another huge time saver, right? Huge. Other than that, you can GIF, I guess, is not pro. So GIF, you can create GIFs, but animation is. So if you click animation, it's going to come up right here. It's going to be a little preview of the fade, or if you want to pan the image in, and you will be able to download that as a movie, MP4 file, or an animated GIF. So it'll be a animated GIF image. So it'll save as a GIF file. Generally, I've seen some of their files when you do this though. The file size is pretty big, depending on what you're uploading, but or depending on what you're downloading. This wouldn't be that big, but you know, some things would be. So that is, you know, I think I went over almost everything I wanted to go over, guys. Those are the biggest things for me, to be completely honest with you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave links below. If you're new to Canva, hey, you're new, go check out my channel. I'm going to have a lot more videos of this coming soon on tutorials, tips, guides for Canva, a lot of cool things. If you're in the real estate industry, I'm in the real estate industry. I do a lot of cool real estate related things for this, a lot of marketing for a lot of the agents in the brokerage that I'm in, you know, but I do a lot of other things too. So stay tuned for all of that. And I'm gonna put a link to Canva Pro if you want to check that out. I'm also going to put a link if you need Canva, go get Canva, right? To sign up for the free version as well. That's going to be below in the description as well. So if you like the video, give it a like, subscribe for more content, and I will catch you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.